Riverhawks, I'm Melissa.
I'm Mia, and we're your hosts for this week's Friday show.
Did you guys know that Mother's Day is coming up this weekend? Well, here are some DIY Mother's Day card ideas that are simple and easy to do at home.
Today I'm going to show you 2 different types of Mother's Day cards you can make. They're both very customizable, and while one is a bit harder, the other is very easy. To start, I'm taking a perfect square scrapbook paper, you can use regular paper if you want, and folding it in half to create a triangle. I make sure that all my edges are neatly creased, and then I fold it in half one more time. This creates a middle crease. You can unfold it after you do this back to the original triangle, and then take the edges and fold them upwards. Now your piece of paper is a beautiful flower. You can use a different method if you'd like, or use real pressed flowers if you want. This is just what I'm doing for the video. Now I'm going to take another piece of paper and create a vase and stems. Repeat the flower making process and glue them on to the stems. I loved using different patterned scrapbook paper for this step. Once I finish this, I write a special message on a separate piece of paper, cut it out, and then glue it onto the card. And that's it, you have a beautiful Mother's Day card. For my second card, I just write Mom on a piece of paper and decorate it with highlighters and calligraphy pens. This is a perfect card to give your mom. That's it for now. I hope now you have 2 different cards in mind to give your special mother on Sunday. Happy Mother's Day!
Now let's see what historic days are happening this week with This Week in History.
Hello everyone, it's Emma and welcome to This Week in History. On May 6, 2004, the final episode of Friends, a popular show that ran for 10 seasons, aired on NBC. On May 7, 1902, Mount Pelee erupted, burying a whole Caribbean city, and only one person in the city survived. On May 9, 1914, Woodrow Wilson proclaimed the first Mother's Day holiday. Take this day to celebrate your mother and all they do for you. That's all for now. I'm Emma, and I'll see you next week in history.
Let's meet some of Rio Norte's teacher and staff pets. You know, I also have a dog. His name's Friday.
Hi, Mrs. Dose here. This is my pet Archie. He's a Holland Lot bunny. 8 weeks old. We got him about a month ago. Hope you guys are doing well.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Farrell. I just wanted you to introduce you to my cat. Her name's Oreo. I adopted her, so she's probably about 7, 8 years old. She's not like to be held, but she loves to play fetch. Okay, say bye. No, okay, bye.
Hey, I'm Mr. St. Peter. This is my pup, Rosie. She's a mixed terrier. She's got wire hair, and she likes to run around in the backyard chasing birds and little critters.
Hi everybody, this is Mr. Flores, and I'm here to introduce my dog, my little terrier. Hi everybody, this is Chewy, named after Chewbacca. And the little fact that I can tell you about Chewy is that he was a rescue dog. We actually got him when my daughter was a freshman at Valencia High School, and we got him from her art teacher, Miss Lick. So thank you, Miss Lick. Thank you for giving us Chewy.
Hey, it's Mr. St. Peter again with another pet. This is Dusty. She likes to come along with me sometimes and hang out at Rio Norte.
Hey guys, this is Mrs. Bonilla, and these are our 2 dogs. We have a rabbit, but she's upstairs. This is Bella. Bella is a 15-year-old Yorkshire Terrier. We had her before we had babies. She's an old lady and grumpy. This is Lola. She's 7 months old. She's a Bernedoodle, and she is a sock eater. She's barfed up 5 socks in quarantine and pooped out 1 scrunchie. That's it.
Hey, it's Mr. St. Peter again. Here is my goldfish, Mr. Goldie J. Fish.
this is Mrs. Groller with my dog Roxy, and she's 4 years old, and she's a Golden Retriever Chihuahua mix.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Rob, and this is Osmandius. He's really big, and he's a mutt, probably some Mastiff in there, and he licks everything.
Hey, what's up? This is Mr. Ippolito, and this is my dog, Bella. Say hi, Bella.
Hi, I'm Mrs. James, and I have pets.
This is Bubbles. He is my classroom fish, who's now part of our household here.
This is my puppy, Navy, and she is 3 months old. Ready? Go get it! Here is the coolest pet in my house, Hobbs. He's my favorite. Oh, sorry, Navy. I love you too. Why are you following me? Wait, I'm gonna go though. You stay there. You don't have to follow. Oh, stretch. Wait, you're still following me. Why are you always following me? And my last two pets are not those guys. These guys right here.
This is avocado.
This is guacamole.
And there you have it. Pets.
I'm sure everyone hates the feeling of always needing just one sticker but having to buy a whole pack and waste their money. Here's how to make your own DIY stickers at home.
That's it for today.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Melissa. Make sure to click the link in the description to check out this week's Fun Friday.
And we'll see you next time on RioTV.